a lecture, a band practice, or a hilarious conversation with your friends, your phone got you covered. This is how you can record audio on Android. On any Android phone, you can record audio like this. So simply get into your app drawer menu. Here you have to search for voice recorder or sound recorder in some cases. In some devices, it's named as sound recorder. Simply tap on this voice like icon, and this is the first step. We are using the built-in recorder app. Now, awesome. You are in the recorder app. See the giant red button below on screen. That's a recording triggered. Tap the record, hit it, and the recording begins. The app shows you the recording length if you just started, but I'm recording screen. That's why it's not happening right here. Now you will see a pause button right after it. And if you don't have this app, or if you want to try any other app, then simply go to the Google Play Store, open up the Google Play Store, search for audio recorder, and simply download any app that you want. So currently I'm using the Samsung voice recorder app. You can download it, or you can download anything else like Dolby's own sound recorder, which has a actually very good quality of sound recording. So this is how you can record audios on Android. I hope you found the information helpful.